Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm Walt Cameron.
And I'm Stephanie Cameron.
And we are the publishers of Edible New Mexico magazine. And welcome to episode 15 of the 5 Minute Friday. This week, we're picking up goodies from Charlie's Spic and Span in Las Vegas. We're getting takeout from the shop in Albuquerque. And we're cooking up breakfast burritos. But first, we're gonna do this. So we're here at up in Las Vegas, New Mexico. We're at Charlie's Spic and Span, and we got a bunch of goodies. We're gonna be opening that tomorrow for breakfast. Beef. Yeah. So we went up to Las Vegas, New Mexico this weekend to do a photo shoot with Charlie's Spic and Span. They're one of our local heroes coming up in our next issue. And after the photo shoot, they hooked us up. It was they're pretty famous for these. They're more famous for their cream puffs, but those don't travel well. But they're also famous for cinnamon rolls. So I think I might just have a little bit of that right now. They also gave us some cookies. They're famous for their cookies too. They're famous for all their baked goods. They do a lot of really good baked goods. But they have sugar cookies, and then on the bottom we have Bixie Cheetos. I think perhaps just try a little bit of that. They suggest that you dunk these in your coffee. So I gotta break it to get it into my coffee. Oh yeah. That's good. Oh, that's really good. Look at it. What? Okay. And then they also do their own homemade tortillas. So I'll let you know what we're gonna do with that. And they gave us a couple of jars of their chili sauce, green, red. What you got there, Steph?
I got chicken sandwiches. We just picked up chicken sandwiches from the shop. Absolute best chicken sandwiches in town. Look at that. Yum. It's got sriracha mayo and their house-made pickles. It's still hot. Hopefully I can do this without burning my mouth.
Stop. All right. We're using Charlie's tortillas and red chili to make the perfect burrito, and that's what's for breakfast. I am going to make a breakfast burrito this morning. Wild boar bacon from Beck Bulow. So I am really excited to try this. Best way to start your bacon is you put it on a cold cast iron pan and then start it up. Medium high heat. Things we're gonna do with the eggs. First thing, I'm gonna get some butter. I like these big giant butter. And then I'm gonna crack my eggs in there. I'm gonna do 6 eggs. Silicone spatula to do this. So I'm gonna get this on high, and then we're gonna kind of stir the eggs up, and then we're going to heat them, and then I'm going to take them off, and I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to heat them, take them off, heat them, take them off. So what I'm trying to do is slow down that protein from binding together too quickly. So what it's going to do is going to create these creamy, kind of really delicious eggs. When you do an egg or any type of protein, you notice that it curdles together fast. The faster you cook it, the harder it gets. So if you can keep that curdling process at bay as long as possible, then you're gonna come out with some really nice creamy eggs. Grab my tongs, turn my bacon. This is like tempering. It's like tempering. Takes a lot longer. It can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. You got to keep it turning too. Keep this going. So as you can see, in here, it's starting to curdle. You don't want to put your salt in early on these eggs because the salt will start cooking them faster than you want them to cook. So at this point, we can put in our salt and pepper. And go back to the flame. And we'll just keep it going. Keep moving. We're gonna have eggs real soon. Take that off. Turn this bacon. Here's the first batch. Ooh. After I pulled that off, I turned this down to get it cool again, to put the other bacon back on. So you can see these are starting to curdle, but look how creamy they are. Look how creamy they look.
Do you do this in a cast iron pan?
No, you need to do this in a non-stick pan. Eggs stick bad. So we're gonna grab our tortilla. So this is the chile. Pour a little bit on my tortilla. Laid out like a pizza. Eggs. Whoa, look at that. Just spread those out a little bit. A couple slices of bacon. Woohoo. A little more chili. Can't go wrong with chili. Here like that.
And we'll hold it against your wall.
Yeah. And just roll that right up. Ta-da. Breakfast burrito. Just bacon and eggs, simple. But delicious. Okay, that's enough.
That's it for this week's episode. Be safe and be well.